Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up AWS EBS volumes using snapshots for VDS step by step clearly. In this video, we will guide you through the process of backing up AWS EBS volumes using snap. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Next, navigate to the EC2 dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Volumes under Elastic Block Store. Identify the EBS volume you want to back up. Select the desired volume by clicking the checkbox next to it. With the volume selected, click on the Actions button at the top right. From the drop-down menu, choose Create Snapshot. In the dialog that appears, provide a name for your snapshot. Optionally, you can add a description for better identification. Once done, click on the Create Snapshot button. You will be redirected to the Snapshots section of the EC2 dashboard. Here, you can monitor the status of your snapshot. It may take a few minutes for the snapshot to complete. Once the status shows as completed, your backup is ready. You can now use this snapshot to restore your EBS volume at any time. To do this, go back to the Snapshots section. Select the snapshot you wish to restore. Click the Actions button and then select Create Volume. In the dialog, configure the volume settings as needed. Ensure that the availability zone matches the instance where you want to attach it. Click on the Create Volume button to finalize the restoration. Now, you can attach this newly created volume to your EC2 instance. Select the instance you want to attach the volume to. Click on Actions, then Instances Settings, and select Attach Volume. Choose the newly created volume from the drop-down menu. Define the device name for the volume and click Attach. You have successfully backed up and restored an AWS EBS volume using Snap. This process ensures that your data is securely backed up and readily available when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.